everybody, welcome back to my channel. So a lot of you guys really enjoyed my cleaning series that I did for half of the year for 2019, and it got me really motivated, and I really want to get motivated again because I'm not pregnant. Ben's now going to school, Charlotte's not super attached to me, but I really want to get motivated to clean my basement. Now today is going to be a day where I'm going to show you guys my whole entire basement. I'm going to show you guys my goals that I want to do. I was going to do this video one time and show you guys the process in a whole year of a video, but I felt like the video could be too long, so then I was thinking maybe I should do it every 3 months, and then I was thinking maybe I should just show you guys my progress every single month. So today I'm just going to walk through my basement with you guys, and I'm going to get a lot of people saying you're a mess. Well, you guys know what? I'm sorry. Okay, number one, I am a mother. I don't care. My kids come first, my mess comes later. Number two, I'm happy. Okay, I don't spend my whole life down here in the basement. I just come down here to do my videos, and that is it. So you guys can judge me if you want. There's my favorite button, the delete button or block. I'm not trying to be negative, but I get a lot of people who give me crap for all this stuff. So I'm just gonna kind of walk with you guys on what I want to do. Now right now my basement is a huge mess because our Christmas tree is up, which I'm taking down today, and we're gonna put all the Christmas stuff away, so that'll like get rid of a lot of this stuff. So I'm just gonna walk with you guys, show you guys what I'm doing and what I'm gonna do, and then every single month I'm going to show you guys my progress. So right now, take a good look that this is the worst. This is the worst that it's ever gonna be. And we're gonna organize my stockpile, and you guys will see all that stuff. So let's show you the tour. Okay, you guys, so this is me standing on my little steps. You guys can see right here. I am standing on my steps, and this is my mess of a basement. Okay, you guys, I'm sorry, but I'm a person who, yeah, I just love to shop, and I'm really trying to not buy stuff just for a video. I'm really cutting back. I want to start focusing since now I don't work anymore. I'm getting a little bit more sleep. So I'm working on this, you guys, and that's why I'm giving myself a whole year to work on this. So here is my recording area. I got stuff all over the floor. I want to get rid of everything around the floor. There is a little table that is right here where I put, this table is going to go bye-bye. This table is actually a little table for Ben to color on, so we're going to actually get rid of this. I'm thinking of getting like some kind of little shelf to put here so I can still have my boxes to put stuff, but I want to get rid of everything in this spot. That is my goal. We just been slacking on putting things away, you guys, because this place is such a mess. But I want to get rid of all the garbage. Like, I'm not, this is stuff I never, you guys, I'm just so embarrassed to show you guys, but this is motivation for me to get rid of stuff. And I can go back and look at this video and be like, Jennifer, seriously, you got problems. Like, this is my desk, you guys. Like, this is how bad it has gotten. I've cleared this thing out several times, but I am just so on fire. And like, you guys know, I went through depression where I didn't want to do anything. And the depression started a couple months ago. And this is one reason why this is the mess it is today. It's because I just didn't care, and just Christmas was just all over the place. But this is a video that I'm going to share with you guys. So please don't judge me. Thank you guys for all the positive, you know, feedback, but I'm really going to do this. I'm going to show you guys a video before and after. So yeah, so this is the thing I want to clear out so badly. So badly. You guys always want to see my stockpile? This is my stockpile. This is my stockpile. I actually want to get rid of, I like the boxes because we organize it, but the thing is, all these boxes, we have to move them to put different things in. So I'm actually want to get rid of all these boxes and put them in a storage room. I want to get rid of all this crap completely. Now, you guys will see tons of paper products. Now, all the paper products go in this door right here, okay? So this is a little storage area where we keep, if I can get it open, because I have a tote right here. This is where we keep all of my Christmas stuff, and it's completely empty all the way back there and around the corner. So this is where we keep all of our Christmas stuff, and this is also where I keep all my paper products. So when all the Christmas stuff is put away, all the paper products will go in here, and I've been giving away paper products like crazy to family members. So that is one thing that a lot of this stuff, like all this stuff was in the closet. All this stuff was in the closet. So this is an empties video I'm going to film right after this, but this stuff has got to go. Like, it's just so cluttered. I am so sick and tired of toys. I was at the point where, oh, I'm just going to resell these toys. No. Nope. I'm putting them in bags and I am getting rid of them. I have been throwing toys away like crazy. I am just going to deal with it. I'm just going to donate it. I just don't even care anymore. There is a new place called Once Upon a Child that takes used toys. I might just put them all in a box and say, hey, I'll sell you to whatever you guys want, and if they don't want it, then I'll just go drop it off at Goodwill. That's the point of how bad I've gotten. Like, I've cut back on toys a lot. With Ben Christmas, we hardly got him, he barely got any toys. He got a lot of art stuff. But like, this is just a little thing here and there. More paper products, you guys. I have so much paper products, it's ridiculous. So all this is going away. That's why when I say I'm not doing any more of these videos for my hauls, I'm like, don't want to do any more hauls. I'll tell you guys the deals, but I'm not doing it unless I can absolutely get it for free, because I need to cut back. I'm the type of person where I just buy the stuff to show you guys in a video, and I realize I don't need to do that. I can still share the deal with you guys even without buying the product. So that's why I need to, you know, stop buying the stuff and start using it, even though we use it like crazy. So these are all going to be put away. I see a pack of diapers that I might need. What size are these? Size 3. Okay, got that. So Benjamin's down here with me because every time I have to film, he's down here. But so if you guys saw my cleaning videos that I started, we did buy these shelves right here. So I'm going to I got some stuff put away already. I want to clear this off. I want to, you know, make a little storage, I want to make a little craft area for me, so I need to work on that. And I have a lot of craft supplies, so I want to kind of just have some totes and just put craft supplies in there. So we're going to work on that. And now I'm going to show you guys my storage room, on what else I'm going to work on. Now, I did make a cleaning video, and I never posted it, about my basement. I did it, when did we do this? About 2 months ago, I filmed my basement, and I just was so mad I just never followed through and posted it. But if you guys saw, I had a whole entire wall of these boxes. I probably had about 20 of these boxes just stacked to the ceiling. So I ended up getting rid of half of that stuff. I ended up filling the whole entire van. We couldn't even shut the door. It was that full of just donations like crazy. So I got more stuff that I'm gonna do, but what I told Graham to do is I want to get rid of this whole entire thing. I want to get rid of those shelves, and I kind of want to see if we can just make some shelves out of wood and put my whole entire stockpile right here. So this is going to be a stockpile wall is what we're going to do. It takes time, you guys. Like, this is why I'm making a year-long video, because that's how much work I got. Like, that's how much work I got. But then this wall, I want to try to, you know, get rid of some stuff. But it just takes time. It takes time, you guys. And I know you guys are like, oh my god, you have so much stuff. Yes, I have so much stuff. Like, you guys don't realize it. I'm not a hoarder. I'm just a person who buys a lot of stuff to do videos. Like, that's my main problem. I didn't have half of this stuff when I started YouTube, but I got into it because, you know, I gotta show people a video. I gotta do a video. I gotta do a video. And it ended up just becoming way too much. So this is my stockpile area. I think what we're going to do is, if we get rid of that one wall, like right here, I might put one of these shelves, I might put both of those shelves right here so we can still keep some boxes, and then figure out what to do with this. But it takes time, you guys. It really does take time. But so today is the last day of the year. It is January 31st, and it's crazy, but I want to show you guys, how are my hands focusing? I want to show you guys my room, okay? Show you guys this. So take a good gander at it, because every single month I want you guys to actually notice something and be like, yo, everything is cleaned up. So please give me some motivation if you guys can. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I can motivate you guys into cleaning.
Bye.
Yeah, but I've just had it, and I'm ready to finally do something about it. I've got motivation. So Benjamin's just being a little annoying, but yeah. So if you guys enjoy this, you know, give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna call this
thumbs up.
Just thumbs up. I don't even know what to call this video, but yeah, so I'm excited to get things started. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next month.